Guys, there's fireworks.
Happy Memorial Day.
Happy Memorial Day. It's the night before Memorial Day. People are launching them off right by the Burger King. Maybe that's the Burger King employees having fun. They were just having... The fireworks were over the trees a second ago. Like, the middle of them were over the trees, but... Ran in to grab the phone a little bit too late. Can't wait for the 4th of July. That's gonna be crazy. Imagine 4th of July is like on a Saturday. I mean, not Saturday. Friday night, and I come over to this house on that Friday night. And after me and my dad watch fireworks, me and you can watch fireworks because those people will probably launch it off. I hope they're not... Oh, there they go. I heard the thud. They're way more colorful. I wish we could go over there and see them. Well, that was their little finale for those fireworks. Wonder if they're gonna get any more. There's a car coming. It's gonna be weird if we're just filming up there and they think we're filming the car. I thought they were coming from over there, but no, they're coming from over there. Hope that car wasn't them packing up. That would be sad. Oh. Oh, hear those crackles, Grandpa?
Yeah.
Oh, those are like the fireworks that you light off in the middle of the street and they crackle.
Yeah, they're called firecrackers.
Oh. Yeah. Oh. Whoa, there's the big ones. That's a lot. Wow. Oh! That scared me. My bach, I think. I don't know. Yeah, over there was firecrackers. Little things that you light up in the street, and then they do like a little, like they go like this, and there's just a bunch, it looks like a bunch of sparks. And it's like 5 feet tall, I believe. 4 to 5 feet tall is how tall it gets. My neighbors have done it before. Like my neighbors like down the street have done it. Is that a motorbike? Or is that just... No, that's just a car with one headlight. Ooh, I heard a boom. There they go! Wow. Whoa! They're doing the wheeze. Wow. Man, the phone's at 5%. Oh, somebody just locked their car. And somebody's whistling. I heard it. It's a plane. It's a plane. Hope the phone doesn't... Oh, no, it's going to die. Phone's going to die. The phone's already at 4. This phone dies fast. Once it gets to 2%, I'm going to turn off the video. I hope they do more fireworks. If they're not doing fireworks by 2%, then they're done. Oh, there they go! Right as I said that, they do more. They're going ham. Whoa. Now that was cool. And there's another car coming. Just hope they don't think we're filming them and then get out their car and be like, ah! Come on, do more. Oh, well, guys. Phone's at 2%. Bye.